Brandon Dauphiné, Marketing Mechanic here, and today I want to talk about the fact that you may not need a new website. This actually spawns from the fact that I get a lot of people that come to me saying, hey Brandon, what is it going to cost to get a new website? And the truth is, I often ask them, why do you think you need a new website? One of my first clients was a cleaning company, and they had just been ripped off by another agency, really screwed them over, quite frankly, and took a lot of their money, and they didn't have a lot of money left. And I'll be honest, their website was pretty bad. It didn't look great. But what I recommended to them was, hey, why don't we go ahead and take what little bit of marketing money you have and actually focus on advertising first, because you need that flow of money first before we fret too much about your website. Because here's the ugly truth that most marketing agencies won't tell you, and that's this. Most people, if you're in a service-based company, will buy your service from you. You will deliver the service. They will give you money, and they have never visited your website. That's a dirty truth, but it is true. Now, does this mean that you should neglect your website? If your website was built in 1999, yeah, it probably needs an update at some point. But this is more about priority of your financial spend rather than whether or not you should ever get a website. Of course, if you can afford a great website, go for it, get it. Because we are shifting with the younger demographics. They don't want to make a phone call. They want to book online. Alongside that, Google is now making it possible for people to reach out to you through your business page, through your local service ads, without ever actually visiting your website. Again, we're seeing this trend where people will buy from you without seeing your website. Now, you need a website and you need to maintain it, yes. But don't get tricked into thinking that it's the number one priority always for all things marketing. It is not. You need to have good ads, you need to have a good offer, you need to have lots of other things are important beyond your website. So don't let someone come in and shake you up and say you need a website or else your business will cease to exist. That's just absolutely not true. So that's the point of this video, to encourage you to not get scared into spending money you may not have, and save that money, get more business, and then when you're in a good stable position, then you can focus on getting a better website. In the meantime, this is Brandon Dauphiné, the Marketing Mechanic, and stop wasting money on broken marketing.